Here I'm going to show you how to download and install the Tube Video Translator software. So once you get to the download page, you'll see two options. You can download to your PC or to your Mac. So in this video, we're going to show you how to download the Windows version on your Windows PC. So first you click this Download PC Software Here link. It'll ask you to download it to your computer. Mine just defaults automatically to the download folder. If you don't know where to download the software on your computer, you can always just download it to your desktop. It's always easy to find there. But let's go ahead and download it to my downloads folder, and it will be a .zip file, which is a compressed file. Inside that file is the setup file. So let's go ahead and click Save, and you'll see a little notice down here. I'm using Google Chrome web browser, and you'll see it's downloaded. In earlier versions, and maybe even in some current versions of Chrome, you may see a little warning here. Now don't worry, there's nothing wrong with our files. I scan and make sure there's nothing wrong with no viruses or anything like that before we upload it to the internet. So if you see a little warning here, you just click this here and you'll see a little option to say keep file anyways. But here in this case, I'm not getting that warning. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click show in folder. It'll just bring up my downloads folder. And here is that zip file. Inside that zip file is the setup file. So to get the setup file out of there, there's several ways of doing it. Let me show you probably the easiest way to do it on Windows. You just right click and select extract all right here. And then it gives you the option to extract it to a folder that's named the same as the zip file. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and click extract, and you'll see a new folder here show up. If you double click inside there, now we can set up the file. All you have to do is right click and select Run as Administrator. Now, if you go and right click and you do not see Run as Administrator, don't worry, just click Open. But in this particular case, I do see it, so I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now you're going to see this warning for the first time that comes up. And like I mentioned before, you don't have to worry about our software having any viruses or anything like that. I personally coded the software myself from scratch, and I also personally scan everything before putting it online, so there's no possible way there could be some sort of virus that can harm your computer. These are just friendly warnings to make sure that you're safe. And I totally agree with these warnings, but I just want to stress the fact that our software is safe. So all you have to do when you see this little blue window is click More Info, and then it says Run Anyways. Just go ahead and click Run Anyway, and now the setup file will show up. Sorry, not setup file, but setup procedure. So the setup comes up, and we want to click Accept, click Next, and next. This shows where to install it, and then click Install. And then you have the option to run it, so let's go ahead and do that. You will also put an icon on your desktop so you can easily get access to it. Now, the first time that you open the software and install it on your computer, you'll have a little warning message here that says you have to enter the email that you used to order the software. So make sure you enter that exact email that you used when you ordered the software. On the internet, there's an order page where you entered your email address. You need to enter that email address in order to get access to the software. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then click on the register button. Click OK. And now we're fully registered and the software is ready to be used. And that's how you install the software on your Windows computer. I do want to mention one thing at the very end here is the fact that this is a desktop software, so it will not run on like an Android device. So this is only for Windows. Android is a completely different operating system that only sort of runs on smartphones and tablets and things like that. And this also will not run on an iPad or an iPhone. So this is not like a mobile app. This is a desktop software. So thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.